Hi everyone! Today we're going to have some fun with nutrition trivia. Do you know what a nutrition facts label is? It's the little chart on the side of your favorite snacks that tell you what's inside the food you eat. First up, we have serving size. This tells you how much of the food the label is talking about. It's important because all of the numbers on the label are for that serving size. Next, we have calories. And moving down, you'll see total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Then, you'll see different nutrients like dietary fiber, total sugars, added sugars, protein, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. You might notice percentages next to some nutrients. These show how much of what you need each day is in one serving. Finally, there's an ingredients list. This tells you everything that's in the food from most to least. It's like a recipe. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today there will be 10 questions and you'll have 15 seconds to answer each question. Let's get started. What does the serving size tell you? The total amount of food in the package? The amount of food typically eaten in one sitting? The amount of food you should eat per day? The serving size tells you the amount of food typically eaten in one sitting. What do calories measure? The amount of sugar in the food, the amount of energy in food, or the weight of food? Calories measure the amount of energy in food. Which nutrient helps you grow strong bones? Calcium, vitamin C, or sodium? Calcium is a nutrient that helps you grow strong bones. What does percent daily value mean? How much you should eat in a day, how much of a nutrient you get from a serving, or the price of food? The percent daily value means how much of a nutrient you get from one serving. Which nutrient should you limit to stay healthy? Fiber, sodium, or vitamin D? Sodium, did you get that one? Don't forget to comment below. Where can you find out what's in the food you're eating? A. Serving size, B. Ingredients list, or C. Calories? You can find out what's in the food you're eating by looking at the ingredients list. Which nutrient gives you quick energy but can also cause a sugar rush? Protein, sugar, or fiber? Sugar gives you quick energy but can also cause a sugar rush. What does the ingredients list show? The nutrients in the food, the order of ingredients by weight, or the calories per serving? The ingredients list shows the order of ingredients by weight. What does fiber help with? Vision, digestion, or muscle strength? Fiber helps with digestion. What should you look for if you want to avoid added sugars? A. High sodium, B. Low fat, C. Ingredients like corn syrup or fructose. Ingredients like corn syrup or fructose. Which nutrient is important for your muscles? Carbohydrates, protein, or fat? Protein is important for your muscles. How can you tell if a food is high in sodium? A. It has more than 20% of the daily value. B. It has less than 5% of the daily value. Or C. It has no calories. You can tell if a food is high in sodium if it has more than 20% of the daily value. Why is it good to know the serving size? To know the brand of the food, to understand how much you're eating, or to find out the price? It's good to know the serving size to understand how much you're eating. Which part of the label tells you the vitamins and minerals in food? A. Ingredients list, B. Serving size, or C. Nutrition facts panel? The Nutrition Facts panel. If a snack has 150 calories per serving and you eat 2 servings, how many calories did you eat? A. 150 calories, B. 300 calories, or C. 200 calories? $300 calories. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to read a nutrition label and understand why it's important. Next time you grab a snack, take a look at the label and see what you can learn. Thanks for playing with Live Nourish today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more.